Bring you to even bring
come
your
on.
jacket.
Okay. Oh, car coming. I'm going to Walmart shopping. I'm Walmart shopping.
Walmart in this hoe. Look at
I
this
don't know.
nigga. Look at this. Walmart shopping.
Walmart shopping. It's like, what time is it? It's like 10 something. And we going Walmart shopping.
Come on, nigga.
Hold on. We here with my grandma.
Look at this nigga.
Now he was recording
Hey,
us
Grandma Jean.
at Walmart.
Hey,
Going
Grandma
Walmart shopping.
Jean. Going Walmart shopping. We're going Walmart shopping.
I can't even get some socks. Socks.
Grandma Jean, you go?
Dollar pair of socks.
You gotta say it on camera.
Yeah, $1 pair of socks. Say it again, Grandma Jean.
$1 pair of socks.
Yeah, Grandma Jean.
$1. $1.
Oh yeah, you gon'
Maybe 50 cents.
nah, about $12.
$12.
Yeah.
50 cents pair of socks.
Alright.
That boy said 50 cents. Awesome. Awesome. Will be still recording?
Huh?
Still recording.
Do it?
Okay, come on. Yeah, Austin, don't steal nothing. I'm playing. How much you can buy me some protein bars?
For what?
Yep.
What you say, bro?
Protein bar.
Protein bar.
Yep.
What?
Protein bars.
Oh, you talking about? I don't
Bar.
want no protein bar.
In this hill.
Okay, but like I was saying, we're going Walmart shop right now in the girls section. I'm gonna show you how to really Walmart shop. She looking for it. Come on.
Get down, get down. She can see your hair.
Right here.
Grandma G gonna buy me some protein bars. We're gonna replace that for the pie.
I gotta go home and fix that.
Let me see.
Huh?
I want protein bars and no pie.
Yeah.
You lying.
For these right here.
You lying.
That's why I need some protein that build muscle for football. I'm playing running back next year.
That cream cheese would do something.
Huh.
Why you got here? See him for 50 cents.
That's on the shower.
Starter. Look at this boy.
He's still around here.
Yeah.
That boy
He took
candy.
a picture of it. Now, also really fierce though. Where is something?
But they got your socks there. They give you your socks there.
What size you wear?
Like this.
Don't get no, oh, those are $3. That's good.
Yep.
Over the calves. Hold on, wait.
Saying that you're doing good, $3. There's some crew socks.
So, did I pick up these? I think I did. We should go to Bells.
How much are those?
Well, I'm getting these. I'm playing.
Are they $3?
Shoot, I don't know.
Are they $3?
No.
Instead
It's
of
a
$3.
dry star.
How much are they?
Where were they?
You just
Over
spent
here. It said 600.
$6.46. You getting those?
Yeah.
You
Now what's next?
Huh?
Getting some protein bars, bro.
Or you better get.
I'm playing. I ain't getting them.
You see your pair of $3 socks?
Yep.
Where?
Right here.
Those are nice. Let me see. Those are nice.